progress.
Sir, your mic.
Sir, you are muted.
Fine. So today I will take two topics. One is from magnetic effect of electric current. Udichi, you are here. Magnetic effect of electric current. So in this magnetic, have you checked that there is topic domestic? What is that topic? Just a second. The topic is, all of you can see on screen, there is some topic which is, I'm sharing the screen. Okay, just a second.
Yes, sir.
So all of you can see this topic, domestic electric circuit. All of you can see it written, domestic electric circuit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this one is your topic only, right? My sound is okay now? Should I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
exactly, anyone have idea what exactly the things we have to study in this chapter? This is from magnetic effect of electric current, right? And this topic is in your syllabus, right? So if it is not, it is important topic. So domestic electric current. So anyone have idea what exactly we study in this topic? Anyone has studied this topic or not? Tell me, be frank and tell me if you have studied it or not.
I think what it is produced in the thermal power plant, it is get distributed in many sub offices, and that is transferred to our houses. Like 220 volts come to our houses, but many thousand volts are produced in the power plant. So that might be the circuit of the household, like domestic household circuit.
Any other have any idea of this? Can anyone explain more? Tejaswini, silent. So first we have to understand where from this electricity is coming. All of you know this thing? All of you know this thing now? That there is some thermal power plant or hydropower plant. Have you heard this thing? Sabne suna hai na?
Yes, sir.
From
Yes,
there,
sir.
this
Yes.
electrical energy comes to the distribution section, and from that distribution section, everyone's home is getting supplied with current, right? So this one is a basic diagram. When the current is coming to your home, then only it is explaining you. Just a second. So all of you can see this one, that what exactly is happening. Surya, you are here now? Surya? This one, domestic electric circuit, right? So see, three wires come at your home. One is earth wire, one is live wire, and one is neutral wire. All of you know this thing or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So moreover, which one is the main wire, which is most like dangerous?
Live wire.
Live
Live
wire.
wire, right?
Live wire.
And when we plug in something, at least two pins are there, right? One is live wire and other one is called
Neutral wire.
Neutral wire.
neutral wire. Hana? So if we touch live wire, it will be very difficult for us, right? That will get an anchor shock. Hana? And moreover, there is one, what I can say, this is called what? Earth wire. So this one is the question in your exam. What is the use of this earth wire? Can anyone explain of the use of this earth wire?
Sir, when the extra current is produced, that is sent inside the earth. That the earth wire is buried inside the earth,
Why current goes there to bury it, right?
because
If there's any electricity leakage extra flowing through the circuit.
So why exactly it go to the ground?
To prevent
It
overload.
goes through our body and then it's absorbed by the ground.
I
Sir,
got
to
your point.
prevent
You don't get a shock.
more electricity, if excess of electricity is there, that's why some electricity go down.
I
Is it
know
that?
there is some excess that we have to avoid, right? So why exactly it move towards the ground? It should be with that metal body only, na? Why If I will connect it to ground, why it's Sri Rama, you want to tell something?
No, I joined, sir. That's why it was.
Okay, you just joined. Okay, fine. So let us discuss. I know that you all have good, like Anjali and others have given good answers. So first of all, there is like all of you have seen. This one is my, for suppose this one is my washing machine. Okay, this is mine a special washing machine. Okay. So now in this washing machine, this one is some like I have put my clothes here. Okay, this one is washing machine. Don't laugh, it is my washing machine. Okay, so in this washing machine, for suppose some two current supplies come now. One is positive wire, one is neutral wire, and one is earth wire, right? Fine. So now
Yes.
this earth wire is got connected. इसको connect किया रहता है somewhat metal body के साथ, with this metal. And for suppose this current is coming and somehow this current go to some board and some electricity, and that's how the function works. And this yellow, that is neutral wire also, these two are very important, right? But for suppose what happens, by mistake what happened, Nadiba, that this red wire got connected to, by mistake it got connected to this metal body. So what will happen if someone touch this metal body? What will happen?
Current will flow.
You will get that anchor shock. You have seen that advertisement, na? That all the hairs will go up, right? So what I'm trying to say, if see such situation can happen anywhere, in a fan, anywhere. Okay, there were my brother when he was very small, by mistake he touched one of the table fan, and that table fan that red, what I'm telling, live wire got touched with the metal body, and he was so small that he was not able to see, means he was not able to actually speak. So he was actually like he's facing that current. So how someone can, like, it can happen with everyone. It is just
Yes, sir.
so we have to be prepared if there is some washing machine, if there is some heavy appliances, right? Heavy appliances means at your home thing, what are the heavy appliances? Heater,
Microwave, refrigerator.
Microwave, fridge.
refrigerator, and these are heavy appliances. They are of metal body, and their metal body, if by mistake the live wire get connected to that metal body, the whole metal body will accumulate that current charge. Okay, so how we can save ourselves?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Sri Rama, tell.
Yes, sir. Sir, why are conducts electricity, sir, when we touch?
No, tell again.
Sir, why our body gets conducted when electricity is passed, sir?
So we are
Because our potential difference is zero.
we are ferromagnetic, bacha. Electricity can pass through. We are not like wood, like conductor,
Yes,
insulator, okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
our body is actually ferromagnetic. Through our like current can pass. I'm telling, for suppose I'm making it Sri Rama, okay? Sri Rama is on the ground. Okay, Sri Rama?
Yes, sir.
I'm taking you only,
Yes, sir.
red colored. So by mistake, this red color got touched with this, and this metal body has current, okay? So now by mistake,
Yes, sir.
you have touched, right? This long hand of Sri Rama. So by mistake, when you
Yes,
touch
sir.
Sri Rama, what will happen, You are on the ground, right? You are on the ground,
Yes, sir.
okay? And what is the potential difference? What is the voltage of ground? Anyone
No,
know?
sir.
No,
Zero.
0 volt, 0 volt.
Okay.
So, so exactly what is happening, the ground is always 0 volt. And all of you tell, what is the voltage of ground?
Zero volt.
0 volt.
You must remember this
0
thing.
volt.
So for suppose in your home, 220 volt of supply is coming to your home, right? 220 volt. So this metal body is at 220 volt, and Sri Rama is like a conductor, right? It is providing a path 220, and this one is 0. So you all know Ohm's law. You all know Ohm's law.
Yes,
If
sir.
there is potential difference, current will flow Sri Rama, right, through you.
Yes, sir.
You will get
Yes,
anchor
sir.
shock. Okay, but how you can protect yourself? If you want to protect yourself, that the current
We
should
shall
not
wear
flow.
an insulator, sir.
You
In
will
our
wear
hands and
insulator.
boots.
You will wear.
Sir, rubber bands, sir, rubber. rubber gloves and
rubber gloves. We can use rubber gloves, or we can stand on some wood like a structure.
Yes, sir. We can hold
Okay.
even plastic.
Yes, sir. So we can hold a good
exactly,
structure of plastic.
exactly. You know, when I was small, I was like making heater. That heater wire broken. So I was not knowing that the plug is on. Okay. If a
Okay.
single pinch of my hand or something get touched with the like, no, why can't say wall or like below, it was like very like it was a good like accident ho jata, right? But all my fate, galti se, I was doing all the things, heater on tha, and I was touching, and my foot and my hand never touched. I was on the actually wood, so मैं बच गया. So it was like you just Sri Rama, you got my point. What I'm trying to say?
yes, sir.
Anna,
Yes,
now you
sir.
got your answer now. So what I'm trying
Yes,
to
sir.
say that this green wire do what? ये green wire करता क्या? So exactly what is happening?
match.
This, tell in one. Now you can tell what this green wire will do.
It's connected to the metal body, so it makes sure that if there's any leakage of current into the metal body, it'll keep the potential difference same as the potential difference of the earth.
So exact statement. So this green, which is like green like a wire, which is connected to this metal body, is finally is buried somewhere into the earth, and that earth is at 0 volt. So this metal body is always at 0 volt. When something happen, current leakage happens, this metal body will get charged, and this will surely get passed to this ground. So this is how when now Sri Rama touch he will just feel when now Sri Rama will touch he will see, like simply feel a shock, not a great shock, just like jhinjhini, what I can say, like can anyone tell in English?
Tingling,
Incline, spark type.
tingling
Just
sensation.
Glittery,
So-
sir.
so that was just like वो कुछ problem नहीं होगा, ठीक है ना? So all of you understood ना? So now coming to the next point, all of you know about one more question that comes here is overloading and short circuiting. All of you can tell me about overloading and short circuiting. What exactly that comes in your exam, right?
If
Sir,
overloading is
overloading
there's
means
too many
access to
appliances,
flowing of current, sir.
Overloading means too many appliances are connected to one.
too many
circuit.
appliances are connected to one power point.
Yeah.
So
Then
what
the
can be
high
problem then?
electricity current, which is beyond the power point's capacity, is drawn, so it's overloaded.
That's why short circuit. For
Okay.
example, geyser can be.
Sir, overloading
of
means
heat.
connecting so many devices to one switch plug, sir. And short circuit means the breaking of fuse, sir. When over voltage, over potential difference is flown through the wire, which is beyond its
Short
limits.
circuit,
Fine, fine. So overloading, what the word itself is telling overloading. Overload, right? Means what? I take
sir.
geyser on, I took my like water heater or many appliances I switched on. What will happen? There will be heavy demand of current, right? Getting my point? If I on many appliances in your home, for suppose there are many appliances and you started all, what will happen? A heavy demand of current will be there, right? So that situation is called overloading, and that overloading may do what? उस overloading से क्या हो सकता है?
short circuit.
Short circuit, sir.
Short
Might
circuit
be
or
might be the main circuit, that section.
explode.
MCB down.
Sir, can
MCB
can
get
be
down, right?
explode.
Good statement. You can see now this one is the distribution box, this one is the electric meter, this one is the main box, where there is some fuse. So you can see this fuse will get like if there will be some MCB, miniature circuit breaker you have seen.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
In
Yes,
your home,
sir.
there is some MCB, miniature circuit breaker. So if there will be some heavy flow, that MCB will go down. So that current in your home will get automatically cut. Okay, so that is when MCB will work. And what is short circuit?
If live wire and neutral wire they touch, then it'll cause damage and short circuit happens.
Mhm. So there is very simple funda that one we have a live wire. This live wire, for suppose, this one is the live wire, and other one is Name.
Neutral.
Neutral wire.
Another one is neutral wire. So if
Yes,
anyhow na by mistake, if live wire and neutral wire become in contact, this wire and this wire become in contact, what will happen? Okay. So that then when they will touch, what will happen exactly? Can anyone let me know the situation when that positive and negative connect, what will happen and why it
Short
will happen?
circuit, sir.
I know it's
Resistance
short circuit.
decreases.
What exactly will happen and why it will happen?
Short
The
circuit, sir.
resistance will decrease.
Okay. Resistance will.
Short circuit will happen, sir.
I know what circuits are. Anyone knows short circuit is happen when
Small
plus
current.
minus will get touched. But what happened exactly there? Na science language. I want to know as
Um,
So there is
Angelina?
excess current.
There will be sparkles formed between the two wires, sir.
yeah.
Sparkle,
If we take
If the
sparkling,
if the
heavy
resistance
current flow,
decreases, then
Arshia.
the
Exactly, Anjali. One more thing. 0 volts. 0 volt will be there. Now I get my answer. So fine. So what we have learned, for suppose this one is a live wire. Okay, this one is live wire, which is at, for suppose 220 volt. Okay, domestic supply is 220 volt. And now what is happening? For suppose there is some. This wire is this yellow one is neutral wire. Okay, so this neutral wire is at 0 volt. Okay, so when this will touch each other, where they are touching each other, where they are touching, just I am representing with another color. You can see there is like circuit in between this as the red color and yellow color is getting stuck. This is itself a circuit. ये एक wire ही समझ लो, right? Where this wire has 0 resistance. What I can say? 0 resistance. And when the resistance is very less, current will flow heavily. Getting my point? When there is very less resistance, then current can easily pass. So then what happened? Suddenly, this which is called short circuit, where there is 0 resistance, a heavy amount of electricity will flow from here to yellow. And when there is heavy supply of current will happen, heating effect of electric current.
yes.
H equal to I square RT. H is directly proportional to I square, current square, right? So if current will suddenly go up, what will happen? Heat will generate. So that Sri Rama was telling spark. Sri Rama, you are telling only spark. After that 0 volt, that thing you should tell, science behind that. As like Anjali, Kumunda, Anjali, right? Telling.
Yes,
Arshia also like 0 volt, this thing will happen. All of you get these technical points that you have to write?
Yes,
Tell.
sir.
Anyone have question?
No, sir.
Will I move to the next point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So about magnetic effect of electric current, Udiji, you are here? Oh, just a second. So actually I was to leave. I should start with surface area and volume. Okay. I was thinking to take actually tingling sensation. Yeah, exactly. So come to the point. Just a second. I'm starting the recording again.